Everything has been configured on our firewall for Global Protect. We also confirmed access and authentication is working. This video is focused more on how to activate or use the Global Protect client in a Windows 8 or Windows 7 operating system. On my computer, I'm using Windows 8, so I want to connect into the network to access the users, computers, and even the servers. So to do that, I will have to first open up a new web page. Let's go ahead and do that right now. And I will type in dev.routehub.net. Great, so we're connected. Once again, we have no security warnings because we have a trusted cert installed for that particular domain. Now I want to log in with my Active Directory credentials, the same account that I use to log on to my computer and other services like Exchange email. So that will be mtamati for my username and my password. Okay, so now we are logged in and we are presented with three options. I can download the appropriate client based on the system that I do have. And the option is a Windows system for 32-bit or 64-bit, or if I have a Mac system, I can simply click here and download that to my computer. So in our case, we have Windows 8 and we're using the 64-bit version. Therefore, we would need to go ahead and click on this link, download that particular software, and to install it on our computer. Once that program has been installed, you want to go ahead and launch that program, and here's what it looks like. Under settings, we need to enter our Active Directory username and password. Let's go ahead and type that in now. Let's uncheck Remember Me, enter our password. And for portal, we're going to enter dev.routehub.net. Once we're done, we'll click on Apply. And doing that, we'll start to connect. So now it's connecting into our firewall. And we are connected into the network without any warnings or errors that we can see. Since we are connected, let's confirm if we can access our user network and our server network within the LAN. Let's go ahead and move this aside. Let's bring up a DOS prompt and let's see if we can ping our user computer in that environment. And we can. Fantastic. Let's see if we can ping our two servers. We'll ping our first server, which is .100, which is reachable. And let's ping the other one, which is .101, which is also reachable. So we have a working VPN connection. So from there, we can access our server using some web interface. We can RDP BNC to our computer. We have a working connection into the environment. We can also view the activity of my VPN session on the firewall itself, which is very good. So to do that, let's go back to our firewall, go to the Monitor tab, and let's go to Session Browser, which is right here. And up here in the top is one of the flows that we see has been established. So we see basically that from the VPN zone, this is the IP that is assigned on our Windows 8 computer. We're talking to this server here for DNS. We even see from which user account, which is our Active Directory account. And of course, the second flow, which is the return traffic. So this can provide a lot of good information of knowing what your VPN users are accessing through the firewall. It's really, really impressive. So from there, we can go ahead and close this up. And very quickly, before we do conclude this video, let's show you the IP address that is assigned on our computer for reference. We'll bring back our DOS prompt and we'll type in ipconfig. Here we are. Let's go up towards the top here. Okay, and right here will reflect the IP that is assigned to us on our computer based on the IP pool that we configured in our settings.